Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss constant in PHP. Constant are something like which can contain some value, but the value cannot be changed throughout the execution of that particular program. For example, like we have some value and we know that this value will not change or will never change. So in that case, we can use constant in place of variable. Because in variable we have a flexibility, we can override the value. But in constant, we cannot change the value. We cannot override the value. We cannot reassign the value. Like once any value is set to a constant, that value is fixed. That will not going to change. Let's see it by example. Creating a new file called constant.php. Okay. PHP syntax. This opening and closing tag of PHP. So there is a two way by which we can create a constant. One is const keyword. Okay, let's put any name like const name and we can put it as a Sandeep. Okay, try to print it. Let me open the browser. PHP in which R folder, the files constant.php. What happened? Constant. Let me check. Okay, there's some spelling mistake in the name of the file, constant. Okay, let me correct it. Try again. Here you can see the constant value is printed, Sandeep. Okay, now what happened? If we want to change the value from Sandeep to something else, like Sandeep Kumar Singh, what will happen? It is still showing Sandeep while it should show some error. But why it's not showing error? Because by default error are off in any PHP script. Let me open it. These are some code. With the help of we can enable the error reporting. Now let me check. Here you can see warning, constant name already defined. Okay, so that's why we are getting this value, not this value, while we are trying to override the value from Sandeep to Sandeep Kumar Singh, but we are getting this value only. Okay, so there is a one more way to define constant with the define method. How we can do that? Define. Here we can put it as a name like age. Here it is, value 34. Okay, how we can use echo age. Here you can see the output is 34. Let me just comment it for better reliability. I'm just going to comment this line because it's showing error now. Here you can see 34. Or better reliability, I'm just going to HTML tag for line break. Then you can see 34. So if you want to reassign some new value. What will happen? We want to make it as a 40. Here again, constant age already defined, and we are not getting the updated one. Our old value is 34 and we tried to with the new value is 40, but we are getting the old value, because as per the definition of constant, we cannot reassign the value to the constant. Once the value is fixed in the constant, cannot be changed or cannot be redefined. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you.